How to connect your Steam account with your Twitch on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Twitch. This is the homepage as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner, click on your profile picture and go down here, click on settings and it will take you here. Now click here on connections as you can see. After you click on connections, and now all what you have to do is scroll down, you will find this Steam and click on connect, and your Steam is gonna be connected successfully and easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.